Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at another DynaTrap. Now I've done a few of these in the past couple of years, but this one's a new one for me. This one has the LED light bulb. The difference between the LED light bulb and the incandescent light bulb, it lasts around 6 times longer. So roughly I get about a year and a half or a season and a half in the Northeast per light bulb. This we're gonna get 6 times as much. So that's a savings. It uses less electricity and lasts a long time. So what is DynaTrap? So DynaTrap is not a bug zapper, okay? It's not a bug zapper. What it does is designed to suck the mosquitoes in. All the bad bugs go inside here and they expire. And I'll leave some videos at the end and you'll see how the old ones work. It's the exact same premise. The difference is this one has the LED light bulb, a little bit different configuration. I'm going to do the unboxing and going to show you how this works. Kit, it does come with a little brush, and this brush helps clean out the dead bugs when you're done. A couple of screws in here. That's what's in here. Also, I like that. It also comes with a hook. So if you want to hang it somewhere in your house, somewhere around the yard, you want to hang it on your deck, definitely suggest putting this in a dark area. Leave this on 24/7. Do not shut it off. The reason why is because you want to keep it on all the time. You want that cycle. You want to get rid of the females. You want to break that cycle of I don't know, whatever the females do, they keep cycling. You want to break the cycle, right? So you want to get rid of that cycle. So you want to keep this on 24/7. I leave it on from pretty much April, which is April now. So that's why I'm doing the unboxing. April until November. And then I take it down. Once you get that hard frost, you don't need it any longer. So that's what that's for. So I'll take that off. And that's why the screws are in here. There's little screws in here to mount this to the wall or wherever you have to hang it. So that's what that's for. Let's take a look at it and open it up and see what's inside. So in this specific kit, it does come with a little brush, and this brush helps clean out the dead bugs when you're done. A couple of screws in here. That's what's in here. Also, I like that. It also comes with a hook. So if you want to hang it somewhere in your house, somewhere around the yard, you want to hang it on your deck, definitely suggest putting this in a dark area. Leave this on 24/7. Do not shut it off. The reason why is because you want to keep it on all the time. You want that cycle. You want to get rid of the females. You want to break that cycle of I don't know, whatever the females do, they keep cycling. You want to break the cycle, right? So you want to get rid of that cycle. So you want to keep this on 24/7. I leave it on from pretty much April, which is April now. So that's why I'm doing the unboxing. April until November. And then I take it down. Once you get that hard frost, you don't need it any longer. So that's what that's for. So I'll take that off. And that's why the screws are in here. There's little screws in here to mount this to the wall or wherever you have to hang it. So that's what that's for. Let's take a look at it and open it up and see what's inside. So what's inside? So it comes in a bag, just like you see here. And we're going to open this up. I'm going to show you a little bit about what it looks like. I'm going to plug it in so you can see it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do all types of reviews, from how-to unboxing, from tech to you name it. I pretty much try to give you some information so you can make the proper education so you know what you're doing when it comes to purchasing certain items. I don't know everything. I'm not an expert, but I try to help you and just give you some insight of my experiences of different products. And so hopefully you find this helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There's a link down below. Hit that subscribe button. Also, there will be a small affiliate link below this in the description area, and also there'll be one here at the end. Those are small affiliate links that cost you nothing, and everything I do raise goes back into the channel to give more education to help you make the proper decisions about what you want to do. So that's it. That's my disclosure. So let's take a look here what it looks like. So it does give you an instruction manual. You really don't need it, honestly. It just gives you some basic information about the machine itself, what to do. Just follow me and I'll show you exactly what to do. Really easy. So the old ones always gave you extra bulbs. This one you don't need it because it's going to last you several years before you even have to change it. Take it out of the package, take it out of the way here. So this is what it looks like. So this is almost like a copper look to it. Again, it is all branded DynaTrap, as you can see here, all around. It does come with a cord. This is, I think it's a 6-foot cord. Let's double check that for you real quick. You just basically plug this in and you're good to go. Like I said, I've been using this for years. I recommend this to all my friends and family. They don't believe it works, but believe me, by 6 weeks, there is nothing left. There's no mosquitoes. There's really nothing. This is, yes, 6-foot cord. That's what's in here. Basically, here is the cord right here. Not a triple, just a safety. Standard 2-prong plug. That's what, and I'll plug it in a minute and show you that in 1 second. So this is what it looks like. So once you turn it on, there's a little LED bulb here that lights up and gives it the purplish, bluish hue to attract the mosquitoes. So the idea is there's a small fan in here, and I'm going to show you that fan. To open this up, all you do is twist it. See that twist? One simple twist. This opens up the device. Let's take a look at the actual top of this device. So what's under here? So basically you have a fan. The fan is constantly creating a positive suction, a positive flow of air coming through here, the top. So the mosquitoes, as they get close, they're unable to fight the forces of the vacuum, right? And they get sucked into the container. That's pretty much the principle behind it. So all the bad bugs get sucked in. Okay? There's an on-off button right here. It says on-off. You can turn it on and off. Simple enough. I don't know if there's a button there, or we'll have to check that out. I think it's a button. We'll double check it. Like I'm looking at it like you are. So here is the small basket. So this basket holds all, you'll see in here the moths, mosquitoes, yellow jackets, stink bugs, all the bad bugs go in the basket. So how does that work? So as the air gets, as it creates a positive air, a vacuum, these fold down. You can see here. So that creates a positive, this will stay down. And as it gets filled up, once you shut the power off, that will close, because sometimes what happens is that these will stay alive inside until they expire. So there's no nasty zapping, there's no nasty crackling and popping, you don't smell anything. They basically just expire from dehydration. That's how it works. But that's the idea. Is so once you turn it on, it creates a vacuum. These open up, and that's where they go inside. When you shut the power off, these close, and then keeps the bugs inside until you're ready to dispose of them. So how do you get this open? This just pops open, super easy. Just pops right open here. They just snap in and snap out. Really easy. You take this and you just dump it. I dump mine in the forest, basically to feed other critters. That's pretty much what it is. So small ants, different things you want to feed. I dump this in the forest, and this is why they give you a brush, so you can clean out the basket. So that's what the brush is for. So really simple design. There is some holes in here. The idea is to create the airflow. And this is why the basket has a mesh going around it, to create an airflow to go through the whole basket. So that's pretty much the premises how that works. So we'll snap this back together. That snaps in just like that. Super easy. Okay. So let's plug this in. I just want to show you how this looks when I first turn it on. Here is the actual, I plugged it in. So there's a switch here. The on and off switch is underneath here. So it's a safety, it's a waterproof switch. Hopefully you can see here. So I'm going to turn this on. You're going to see here the light lights up. I'm going to shut this light off. And now you can see that light. That's the nice light that the bugs really get attracted to. You can see how bright that is. It doesn't hurt your eyes. And the bugs see that and they get sucked into the air. There's an airflow happening here. So it's hard to see, but there's a fan blowing here, okay? Which creates a vacuum, which goes into the basket. And that's pretty much how this works, okay? Very, very simple, really nice design. I absolutely love this. It works fantastic. Again, this is what it looks like when the lights are off. You can see that. So at nighttime, we leave this on 24/7. Like I said, you don't shut it off. And before you know it, there are no more mosquitoes, no more stink bugs, no more wasps, no more yellow jackets. They are gone, gone, gone. Shut that off. Let's put the light back on. I just want to show you. So that's pretty much what it looks like. Let's get the light back on. Real simple to use, really, really easy. I absolutely love this item. Fantastic. Now, if you guys have any questions or any comments, leave down below. This is a copper look to it, okay? Just so you know, it looks like copper. It's not really copper, it's plastic. So it's weatherproof, it's waterproof, everything works perfectly. And to put the basket back on, it's basically just a small turn, locks it in, just like that. I'll just lock it in for you. And that's it. And that is locked back on just like that. And that's as simple as that to work. All right, guys. So if you have any questions or any comments, again, I'm going to leave some videos at the end of this video. so you can see exactly how this works. You'll see the mosquitoes. You'll be surprised how fast this fills up. The darker your area is, the more you're going to catch mosquitoes. I'm in a bright area where I live, so it's a little bit, it takes me about, I empty this out 3 times for the season, which is mostly mosquitoes. You do get the stink bugs and the wasps and all that kind of stuff. Like I said, the hornets does not harm bumblebees. All the good bugs do not attract to this light, so you don't have to be worried about bumblebees or the good bugs. It only attracts the bad bugs, and that's why I love that. So DynaTrap, if you're listening, I love this product. Please reach out to me. I definitely want to work with you. I'm a firm believer. I preach this to everybody. I think this is one of the best items on the market for safety, stability, and security fires all around for insect care. Honestly, you'll never see another mosquito in your home. I definitely guarantee it. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Any comments, leave down below. Let me know. I'll be a link down below in the description. There'll be a link over here for the video. It is a small affiliate link. I do get a small commission, and it does help me out quite a bit. And I do appreciate you watching this video. I know it's a little bit longer than usual, but I really want to get detailed into the process behind it. It's really simple. You just hang it and go. You're absolutely good to go, and absolutely love this item. Super easy to use. Once you turn it on, you're good to go. I would say, depending on where you live, you can empty the basket as much as once a month to once a week. Really depending on how many insects you have. You're going to get a ton of moths. You're going to see that right away. You're going to see tons of moths, tons of mosquitoes. Just filling this basket up. You got to dump it and just keep reusing it, dumping it, and fill it. And just, it's that simple. There's no zapping. There's no noise. There's nothing. It is just quiet. Uses very, very little power. LED technology. Fantastic. All right, guys, that's it. Didn't want to make it too long. I appreciate your time as always. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next review. Thanks, DynaTrap. You make a great product. Appreciate it as always.